Let's get started. Start with listening, and then learn new words and practice them in sentences.
What is love? How have different cultures and eras interpreted this profound emotion in their stories? Across the globe and throughout time, love and relationships have been depicted in countless narratives, each offering a unique perspective. Today, we'll embark on a chronological journey. From the passionate tales of antiquity to the complex love stories of the modern era, each reflecting the essence of its time. So, fasten your seatbelts and join us as we journey through time exploring the many facets of love. The oldest love story hails from ancient Mesopotamia, the tale of Gilgamesh and Enkidu. Our story begins in the city of Uruk, where King Gilgamesh, a man of great prowess and arrogance, reigned supreme. The gods, in an attempt to humble him, created Enkidu, a wild man of equal strength. As fate would have it, instead of becoming rivals, Gilgamesh and Enkidu became the best of friends. Their bond was so strong that they undertook perilous adventures together, defying gods and slaying monsters. Yet, their defiance came at a cost. Enkidu was struck down by a divine illness, leaving Gilgamesh heartbroken. This was his first encounter with profound loss, a sentiment that echoes the human condition. From this tale, we glean various themes, the most prominent being friendship and sacrifice. Gilgamesh's arrogance is tempered by his camaraderie with Enkidu, and Enkidu's sacrifice leads Gilgamesh on a quest for understanding. This story gives us words like camaraderie, meaning a warm, friendly feeling among companions, and temperance, a restraint or moderation, especially in feelings or behavior. We also find idiomatic expressions such as bite the bullet, used when someone has to accept something difficult or unpleasant. Enkidu, in his final moments, essentially bites the bullet, accepting his fate with grace. Though thousands of years old, the emotions and conflicts in this story still resonate today. This timeless tale bears testament to the enduring power of love and friendship and the transformative effect they can have on our lives. Fast forward to medieval Europe, where we find the tragic tale of Tristan and Isolde. This is a love story that is as heart-wrenching as it is timeless, set against the backdrop of the Middle Ages. The narrative revolves around the knight, Tristan, and the Irish princess, Isolde. In a twist of fate, Tristan is sent to Ireland to bring back Isolde as a bride for his uncle, King Mark of Cornwall. However, they unwittingly drink a love potion and fall deeply in love. This sets in motion a series of events that lead to their downfall, as their love is forbidden by the societal norms of their time. This tale encapsulates the theme of forbidden love, a recurring motif in many love stories. It reflects the societal constraints of the Middle Ages, where marriage was often a political tool rather than a union of love. The words like chivalry, knight, princess, potion, and forbidden are some of the vocabulary related to this story and the era it represents. The story of Tristan and Isolde also highlights the cultural context of the time. The concept of courtly love, where knights would express their devotion to ladies through poetry and song, was prevalent in medieval Europe. This story, with its tragic ending, reminds us of the stark contrast between this idealized form of love and the harsh realities of societal expectations. This story reminds us that love can be as fraught with danger as it is with joy. It serves as a poignant reminder that love is a powerful emotion that can transcend societal norms, but can also lead to heartbreak and tragedy. Let's now travel to ancient China and explore the poignant story of Liang Shanbo and Zhu Yingtai. Here's a tale that weaves through the intricate fabric of societal norms, gender roles, and the transcendent power of love. Zhu Yingtai, a spirited and intelligent young woman, defies societal expectations by disguising herself as a man to pursue her education. Along the way, she meets Liang Shanbo, an honest and humble scholar. Unaware of Zhu's true identity, Liang becomes her close friend and intellectual companion. Their friendship, marked by deep respect and admiration, slowly blossoms into love. However, the constraints of their society loom large. Zhu's disguise is eventually revealed, shocking Liang, but their love remains steadfast. Yet, the societal norms prove too strong, and Zhu is forced into an arranged marriage, leaving Liang heartbroken. This story introduces us to the concept of qing, a Chinese term encapsulating deep affection and love. It also highlights the theme of hua, transformation, reflecting Zhu's journey from a constrained woman to a defiant scholar and ultimately a tragic heroine. In the face of societal pressures and rigid gender roles, Zhu and Liang's story is a testament to the transformative power of love. Their tale has been retold in countless operas, films, and novels, continually inspiring its audience to challenge societal norms and embrace the freedom of personal expression. This tale reveals how love can challenge societal norms and inspire personal transformation. In the modern era, love stories take on new complexities, as seen in the novel The Fault in Our Stars. In this story, we are introduced to Hazel and Augustus, two teenagers who find themselves intertwined in a beautiful yet heartbreaking narrative of love and loss. They meet in a cancer support group, and their connection grows from a shared understanding of illness and the fleeting nature of life. Their romance is both tender and intense, reflecting the urgency of their circumstances. The novel explores the theme of young love, a powerful force that is often filled with innocence and optimism. Hazel and Augustus's relationship embodies this concept as they navigate their feelings for each other while grappling with their health. This modern love story also delves into the harsh realities of dealing with illness, demonstrating how love can provide comfort and strength in challenging times. As we dive into the narrative, we encounter phrases that capture the essence of their relationship. Some infinities are bigger than other infinities. A line from the novel encapsulates the expansive and profound nature of love, even when time is limited. Another idiomatic expression, to fall head over heels, describes the intense, all-consuming love that Hazel and Augustus experience. The vocabulary in The Fault in Our Stars is rich with words that express emotions and describe relationships. Words like compassion, resilience, and transient are used to depict the emotional landscape of the characters. The novel also introduces us to medical terminology, offering a glimpse into the characters' daily struggles with their health. Through the exploration of these themes and language, The Fault in Our Stars gives us a glimpse into the complexities of modern love. It portrays a love that is profound and transformative, a love that transcends the boundaries of health and time. Through this story, we see how love can bring light into the darkest of situations. Having explored these stories, what can we learn about love? Across the ages, cultures, and continents, love has emerged as a potent force, shaping lives, inspiring art, and even changing the course of history. The themes we've encountered in these tales are as diverse as the characters and settings. We've seen the deep bond of friendship, a love so pure it transcends boundaries. We've witnessed self-sacrifice, where individuals forsake their own happiness for the sake of their beloved. Forbidden love, too, has emerged, demonstrating that societal constraints can't contain the human heart, and we've marveled at the power of love to provide solace and strength in times of adversity. Take a moment, reflect on these themes, and consider your own experiences with love. How have they shaped you? How have they mirrored or diverged from these tales of yore? Remember, love is a universal language, understood by all, regardless of culture or era.
Let's learn new words and practice English at level B2. Romance. Romance, a feeling of excitement and mystery associated with love. Example, many people enjoy reading books filled with romance because they explore the complexities of love. Heartbreak. Heartbreak, intense emotional pain or distress caused by a romantic relationship ending or experiencing unrequited love. Example, heartbreak is a common theme in love stories, often leading to powerful personal growth for the characters involved. Courtship. Courtship, the period in which a couple develops a romantic relationship, especially with the intention of marriage. Example, the courtship in the story was depicted with traditional gestures of affection and pursuit. Infatuation. Infatuation, an intense but short-lived passion or admiration for someone. Example, the protagonist's infatuation with the newcomer seemed all-consuming, but it was unclear whether it would turn into lasting love. Fidelity. Fidelity, faithfulness to a person, cause, or belief, demonstrated by continuing loyalty and support. Example, fidelity is often tested in love stories, challenging characters to remain true to their partners in difficult times. Reconciliation. Reconciliation, the restoration of friendly relations after a disagreement or breakup. Example, the story concluded with a touching reconciliation between the estranged lovers, offering a hopeful resolution. Unrequited love. Unrequited love, love that is not openly reciprocated or understood as such by the beloved. Example, unrequited love is a poignant element in many classic love stories, highlighting the hero's or heroine's longing and devotion. Soulmate. Soulmate, a person ideally suited to another as a close friend or romantic partner. Example, the concept of finding a soulmate runs deep in love stories, suggesting a perfect harmony and understanding between two people.